In this video, you will learn how to show and hide grid lines in Microsoft Excel. Currently, you can see here the lines are disappeared from this sheet. I have hide these grid lines. If this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. So firstly, you will learn how to show these grid lines. To show these grid lines, you will go to View tab. Under View tab, you will find the options of Shows, and in Shows there are multiple options, and check this grid line option. When you click on this or check this grid line option, then grid lines will be appeared here. Now you will learn how to remove these grid lines or how to hide these grid lines. If you want to remove these grid lines or hide these grid lines, simply again go to this View tab. Under View tab, you will find the option of Shows, and in Shows there are multiple options, and again uncheck this grid line option. Now you can see here the grid lines are removed now. So by doing so, you can easily show or hide grid lines using this option. So that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.